Like, sorry, it looked really funny.
Oh, on the UI.
No, the wheels on that truck,
Ah,
they looked comical.
I missed that. I'll have to see it from the air.
Yeah, I think it was just the angle that the truck was driving.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you're liking this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Speed okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we don't want it to slow. Don't need to stop because they can't come over here. You're okay. It's going. Good. So using the go pedal to encourage it. But see now, ooh. Alright, good, go. Stop hesitating during turn signals if you're gonna do something. What's the phrase? If you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough.
Just commit to it.
Right? See, again, if you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough.
Yeah, just commit to it. 11.4.9, I feel like, has commitment issues. If it was a personality, it struggles with commitment issues.
Its parents divorced early on.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Or they never divorced, they should have divorced.
That's it.
Hell.
It either has commitment issues, mommy issues, or daddy. It's those issues though. It's the
commitment.
It's the psychological.
Mommy and daddy issues are slightly different.
Oh, fair enough. Yeah. But it's the psychological issues of saying yes.
We're gonna slow down to 35 miles an hour because there was a guy on the side of the road.
Was that what just happened?
Yes.
I couldn't see the guy from my remote, but probably be able to see it in the rerun.
Can I go a little faster?
Oh, yeah. I got 44 in me, 45.
Okay, I'm at 42. Whoops. Oh, shit. Wrong button. Wrong level.
You doing okay?
Yeah. Just want to make sure I wasn't accidentally adding a stop.
Oops.
Whoopsies. Whoopsies were made. Looks like they're getting ready to build out here.
Yeah. That'll be fun to capture that.
I'm gonna slow down because that guy has a lot of stuff in the back of his truck that doesn't look like it's fully tied down.
No.
He's got an ATV in there, it looks like. Anyways, I need to edit the trip. Haunted road.
I know, this is a cool road. I need to take RC out here and try it.
Yeah, we tried it going that way though. We realized it's not that way. You have to go
It's this way. Yep.
Yeah. Coming up on a left turn. Let's hope that guy goes straight. Excellent. Are we going to turn? Nope. Sorry.
No worries.
Just wasn't wanting to get in the turn lane.
It's been stubborn on me today. Waymo wouldn't have done that.
Is that what we're going to hear during these filming sessions? Waymo doesn't.
Until it drives like Waymo, folks, I'm going to start saying Waymo wouldn't have done that. And the reason for it is because I actually got to experience a fully autonomous ride-hailing network, robotaxi fleet in San Francisco. It's reality. It's today. Just not with Tesla. We're getting there.
Someday.
Someday, maybe. It's the promise. And don't get me wrong, the way that you guys see it from the air, it's a great driver's aid today. But no, it's not, it's not, you guys clearly see it's not full self-driving just yet. Doggone Sci-Fi has to take over. I have to take over every once in a while because I don't feel comfortable.
Oh my god, we didn't throw turn signals to go straight there.
Yep.
It didn't do it.
I know.
It just went. Sorry, I get excited about that.
When it starts doing good things, we really like it. But then
I really thought I was going to run over that guy last night. Granted, the guy was working in the street on his car in the dark, wearing dark clothes, and I could barely see him, but still.
I could see him though. That's the point.
Yeah, I didn't see him until he stopped at the stop sign. And I was like, oh. Why would you work in the street in the dark, wearing dark clothes, and not put up some kind of light?
Right.
So last time it wouldn't take that turn, for some reason.
Last time we had a school bus with us. Like, I think we had that school bus, right?
It just wouldn't take. I don't know. I'd have to go back and look at the
I think we had a bus.
or something. Something with the children. I'm gonna encourage it to go because it was gonna play the whoopsie-doop. Of do I go? Do I not go? This guy.
It's the do I, don't I.
You had plenty of time to go. And the thing is it stops too far back to even make the judgment call.
Mm-hmm.
So then it hesitates.
Getting
and
up to the
creeps
judgment
forward.
call. Yep.
And then,
Yeah, it hesitates getting up to that judgment call.
yeah. There's a sign that says keep left. Okay. All right. I usually have to make this turn because it doesn't do well.
It doesn't. Flip the blinker on. That's what I would do. Or that works too.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
But we know with the yellow it creeps into the intersection. So
I could go after this car.
you could have gone there too.
I'm gonna go. Well, I want to communicate with the people involved.
The other pilot. Well, you guys, as we approach the end of our drive, I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Me. Someone's in our regular spot.
No worries.
But this is all open. I'm gonna go over here.